Wondering how to clean a Purple mattress without compromising its unique comfort and durability? You're in the right place. Purple mattresses are crafted with a distinctive hyper-elastic polymer grid offering support like no other. However, this innovative design demands a specialized cleaning approach. In this guide, we'll explore effective, safe methods for cleaning a Purple mattress, ensuring you maintain its integrity and enjoy a sound sleep day after day. Step 1. Gather your supplies. Before diving into the cleaning process, make sure you have all the necessary supplies on hand. You'll need mild dish soap, warm water, a soft cloth or sponge, baking soda, a vacuum cleaner with an upholstery attachment, and a spray bottle. These simple household items are perfect for cleaning without harming your mattress's innovative material. Step 2. Spot clean stains promptly. Addressing stains quickly is crucial in preventing them from setting. To clean a spot, create a solution of warm water and a small amount of mild dish soap. Dip your soft cloth or sponge into the solution and gently blot the stain. Avoid scrubbing, as this may damage the mattress's surface or push the stain deeper. Rinse the area with a clean, damp cloth and allow it to air dry completely. Step 3. Deodorize with baking soda. Over time, mattresses can develop odors from sweat and oils. To freshen up your Purple mattress, sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over the entire surface. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes, allowing the baking soda to absorb any odors. For an enhanced effect, leave it overnight. Once complete, use your vacuum with the upholstery attachment to carefully remove the baking soda, taking extra care with the grid surface. Step 4. Regular vacuuming. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your Purple mattress clean and free of allergens or debris. Use a vacuum cleaner with an upholstery attachment to go over the mattress surface at least once a month. Gently vacuum to remove dust, dead skin cells, and any particulates that might accumulate. This will ensure a clean sleeping environment and prolong the life of your mattress. Step 5. Protect with a mattress cover. Investing in a high-quality, breathable mattress protector is one of the best preventative measures you can take. A protector will shield your mattress from spills, dirt, and allergens, making the cleaning process simpler and reducing the need for frequent deep cleaning. Choose a protector designed for breathable and flexible materials to maintain the comfort properties of your Purple mattress. There you have it, a straightforward guide on how to clean a Purple mattress while preserving its incredible comfort and support. With the gentle use of everyday cleaning supplies, regular maintenance, and a protective cover, your mattress can remain fresh and inviting for years. Remember, taking these steps not only protects your investment, but also enhances your sleep experience. Rest easy on your pristine Purple mattress.